2006 Honda VTX stator replacement. Make sure you disconnect your battery. I took this whole thing out because I'm gonna charge it. It's over here on the ground. And your stator is right here for your Honda VTX 1300S. Find your main wire, which is gonna be right here. This is your stator wire. Follow it. You're gonna have to disconnect this line right here. And once you get that disconnected, then you can start taking it off. But first, make sure you drain the oil, because this is in the oil chamber, so you will spill out a lot of oil if you don't drain it out first. Make sure you do that first. Oil filter's right here. The camera can see it. Oil filter right here. So I'm gonna take the oil filter out and then take out that bolt right there. Looks like a 14. Drain the oil out and then keep going. Oh, this really needed an oil change. Look at how black that is. Alright, I got all the bolts out. Make sure you put them on side so you can get them back for later. And your pry point to take the cover off is right here. You just get a screwdriver there and just pry it off. It comes off really easy. If you try to pry it anywhere else, you could potentially break this cover. So be careful. But now she's ready to come off. See how it's dripping oil a little bit? That's why you gotta drain it out, because if you didn't drain this out, all of that oil that was in the pan would have just fell out on the floor. And then you'd have had a whole nother mess to deal with. You know, work smart, not hard, you know? Let's see. Now this wire piece is right here. You push it in, because it's in the sleeve, like a slot right here in the cover. You might need both hands, so I'm gonna take the cover off. Now you got your cover off. You got these 3 bolts right here. And you got these 2 bolts right there. And 1 bolt right there. And then you can take the wire out and then remove the stator. The condition of this looks factory. This is the factory stator from 2006. And looks like it doesn't have a gasket on it, but silicone was around it, so I'm just gonna put some silicone back around it because it doesn't have a gasket, and call it a day. Alright, let's take the stator apart. I'll be back. Alright, so I almost got the wire out. You can plug it from right here. Main wire, secondary wire is right there. And it runs along the side right here. You see I already got it halfway out. Just take your time pulling it out, and because how it goes out, how it comes out is how it's gonna go back in. So be mindful of that. You're gonna have to put it back the same way so that it fits. So I almost got it out like that, and then from under here, I pull it out, so the wire goes back here as well. So sometimes you have to pull this hose out, but I was able to pry it out enough to squeeze the wire through. So the stator's out, and here it is. It is free. Got the new one right here. You now, after I clean up the cover a bit, make sure you clean up the cover pretty good. New stator. Alright, now that you got your new stator wire in place, I had to move the hose out of the way. Yeah, it was not letting me pass the plug out, so just pull it out. It's not gonna hurt it. Get your wire back here, get the plug past it, and then now you got your case cover cleaned. Now you can put the stator back on, like so. Just to go on like that. This is an aftermarket stator, so it has more holes. See, like that one has 3, this one has a couple, so it could use for basically all of the Honda VTXs. And then this goes in the corner over here. This goes in the corner over here, so the stator needs to be this way, like that. And then this goes right here in the corner, like so. And then I gotta put this bracket back in. This bracket goes in like that. And then make sure you put the wire for the stator underneath the bracket, because that's where it's supposed to go. And then you're good to go. Just reverse, put everything back together. Got silicone on there. Nice even coat, not too messy. Just a little bit. All the way down to the bottom. There. Now time to put the cover back on so it can dry. Stator is in. Everything is bolted down. See the little bit of silicone sticking out. I'll get rid of that. Might clean her up tomorrow. Now this is where your regulator / rectifier goes, and it feeds the wire up through here, this little area. And this is your wire, main wire. Your rectifier goes right here, comes up through here, and it plugs into your main wire for your stator, basically. That's how that works. So you need, looks like 2 10s. For the stator is a bunch of 8s in here, and a 30 hex to get the cover off, and a bunch of 10s around here to get this off. I had to move this ground. You don't have to, but I just did it. And yeah, now the next thing, I got to do the spark plugs. There's got 1 here and 1 here and 2 over here underneath these covers right here. And that's it. Put the battery back in and she's ready to start, after I put oil in, of course.